What's going on, you bunch of heretics, and welcome to Heresy is My Therapy. Today we are, as the title suggests, unboxing and building HELLS Last, following the journeys of Captain Minka Lesk and of course all of the Acadia Stands novels. A really interesting box that I think many of you are going to enjoy, and something that some of you may find quite surprising about the content inside this box. Before we get underway, I just want to thank Loaded Dice UK for sending out a copy of this and letting me build it and hopefully get some tutorials going over the next few weeks of this getting built. Also want to say a huge thank you to Highlander Games and Highlander Cafe for letting me build it here in this really awesome location. There will be a little video following this one just on how cool Highlander Games is and the setup they've got here, but that's another video. Again, Loaded Dice UK, huge thank you to these guys. Go check them out, they've got absolutely loads of stuff, loads of stock on their website, and there should be some B-reel going over now of just the website and all the stuff that you can get from them. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this thing unboxed and built. Right, here it is. The box itself looks really nice, pretty decent. Obviously, all of the sort of entourage with Captain Minka Lesk that we've got here. Pretty cool Commissar, Sham with his power axe, and of course the story of the other guys and that Confessor. So let's get it open. This is going to disappoint a few of you when you see this, I will say, because it is all push fit. It is what it is. You know what? It is what it is. It's push fit, so what? It makes things nice and simple, nice and easy. But yes, all of it there with some really cool bases, and of course you've got the models all there, good to go. So I suppose really we should start building it. Really? Who should we build first? Let's go with old Captain Minka Lesk, shall we? Right, so for the purpose of this, it's obviously push fit, so we should be okay. So I've just got some clippers, simple enough, and I've just got some Army Painter files. They seem to be doing a good job just to get rid of any sort of mould lines that we may come across. No glue, it's all push fit, so I suppose we might as well just crack on with it. First of all, let's build Minka Lesk, Captain Minka Lesk, I should say. Right, let's have some music in the background and just enjoy this build. Right then, first one built. Minka Lesk, Captain Minka Lesk, all done. It's actually a pretty cool model in all fairness, in the flesh. Yeah, I like that. Right then, next up. Right, next one done. That's Veteran Sergeant Grania. All done, looking pretty good. Tell you what, that's 2 models in, and I am okay, yeah, the push fit thing's a bit frustrating, that you can't have that sort of ability to convert. However, for the sake of ease, actually, I don't know, maybe I quite like it. But anyway, right, next up. Right then, that is Veteran Trooper Jaromir, all done. I actually really like this model, he is really cool. Yeah, really cool. Ugh, yeah, these models are, yeah, I like these. Confessor, all done. Tell you what, these are very quick and actually very, very easy to put together. Right, another one done. Commissar Shand, all done, good to go with his power racks, ready to execute the defectors. Yeah, love that, love that. Right, so yes, here they are, all built, good to go. A few conflicting thoughts really. First of all, unboxing it, really cool box. Seeing that it was push fit first, very much like £48 push fit models. Not sure how I feel about this. However, putting them together and building them was actually really enjoyable process. Easy to do, easy to file down, not too many mold lines, and the models look really, really good. I like the fact that the bases that they're now producing with these sort of models are already come with a really cool type, scenic base already part of it, which is quite cool. If you're not too fussed about converting them, if you're not too fussed about sort of like making them your own and you want to keep them as the models that they should be, then it's actually a really, really nice kit. It's frustrating that these are legends. I'd like to hope that moving forward that will be removed and they'll have their own data sheets and they can be used normally, you know, in tournaments and stuff. So it'd be really great to see these in there. But as a command squad, as an option, really, really nice models. You've got a Commissar in there. You can use Minka Lesk separately, use her as a captain or whatever you wanted to use. But again, really nice models. I think that will fit into any nice Cadian army, look good on display. But overall, easy to use, easy to make. Yeah, actually the push fit thing isn't too bad. If it wasn't, I don't know, it's a weird one. Let me know what you think. I really would like to know what you think of the whole push fit thing, if it works for you, if it doesn't. If you're not too fussed about the whole making it your own, then I don't know, it's pretty cool. Anyway, yes. Once again, thank you to Loaded Dice UK for sending me out this, the HELLS Last. Really, really cool set. Head over to HELLS Last, check out all the stuff I've got. Check out the link in the description below. Check out all the latest deals they've got over there. And yes, grab yourself a little something while you're there. So yes, thank you to Loaded Dice UK, and of course thank you to Highlander Games and Highlander Cafe for letting me use their it's really cool hangout spot to build them. So yes, anyway, that's me rambling on as always, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.